Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Got the old floral t-shirt on today because it is absolutely roasting. I think summer is truly here. Now what better time to take the little one to a splash park? He's never been to a splash park before, so I think he may lose his mind just a little bit. Anyway, splash park, diggers, dinosaurs. What more could a kid want? Check it out. Isaac, do you like Daddy's mask? Does he look scary? Yeah? Oh. Oh! Whoops. Go, go, go! Isaac, did you have fun in the splash pool? Did you have fun in the splash pool, buddy? Good.
No!
No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
And that's it. Quality day out. If you live in the UK, Wellington Country Park is the name of it. It's not too far from Reading. I'd highly recommend it, especially on a sunny day. Guys, if you watch the videos and like the channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Right, time to go enjoy the weather now. Peace!